Welcome to our channel Wisdom ML. In this video we will showcase an interesting Flask app for detecting kidney disease using machine learning model. This is an out-of-the-box Flask app as it's not only used for predicting kidney disease but also train the model and maintain proper model registry for the same. Apart from that, it also includes model explanation in terms of Shapley plots to make healthcare professionals understand how the model is predicting kidney disease. Let's start by creating a new account as doctor for predicting kidney disease. Once you click on Create Account, registration page will be opened where you have to enter email ID and password to register. However, in order to log in into the application, user need to be approved by user as authorized user of the application. For that, admin need to visit the user management panel and approve the list of users as authorized users of the application. Now the selected user is approved. He can now log in into the system as frontline user of the application as doctor. Once the user logs into the application, the user will get two options: individual prediction or bulk prediction. Once the user visit individual prediction, he needs to fill the patient form involving medical attributes of the patient in order to predict kidney disease. As you can see, model predicted that patient has higher probability of 99% for kidney disease. Also showing 5 steps to manage chronic kidney disease which doctor or nephrologist can recommend, given patient current medical condition. While clicking on View Details, it will show model explanation like which features are more responsible for kidney disease prediction given patient medical records. This will give doctors a good idea about what machine learning model is focusing on while predicting kidney disease. In case of bulk prediction, the user needs to upload the medical records of multiple patients in bulk, so that model will predict multiple patients' kidney disease along with model explanation at once with lesser amount of time. While clicking on View Prediction, the user can view historical prediction done by him for both individual as well as bulk patient records. In this, user can also export the historical prediction in Excel format for later analysis. Now let's visit the admin panel to see what features are available for admin. For this, we have to upload the kidney disease dataset in order to train machine learning model. After uploading the data, it will show you intermediary view of the data uploaded for training where you have to set target variable and train test split size in percentage. Once you click on Train, It will show you multiple machine learning models' performance along with ROC, AUC plot and average feature performance of the tree-based machine learning models. Once you click on Model History, it will show you list of historical models' performance, and it will also give you option to choose the model to make it active for model prediction. Same model prediction option is available to admin also. Once admin clicks on View Prediction, he can view list of all historical predictions by all the users of the application. So, thank you for watching our video. Hope you like it. In order to get the complete code of this app, click on the link given in video description.